Hey, Well Striker Metals here. Today we'll be talking about the precious metal platinum. So there's some platinum, that's pure, that's bullion grade platinum there, Pamp Suisse. That's 995, flip that, show you. There we go, no, 999.5, highly pure. As you can see, it's a silvery type metal. It's quite dense, so quite heavy for its size. It's quite ductile and malleable, sort of like gold. While it looks like silver, it's not, and it is also incredibly rare. The amount in the Earth's crust is exceedingly low, in the parts per hundreds of million, so extremely little amounts, making this one of the most precious metals there are, more so than gold. It's used in a lot of things today. At the moment, one of its prime uses of platinum is in catalytic converters inside of cars for cleaning CO2 and fumes, combined with the other metal palladium, in which case that will scrub fumes in combination with platinum. This here, hard to see because it's so reflective, but that's a hard drive platter, e-waste. That's out of a hard drive. And that is in fact platinum there, coated, plated all over it. So it's used in electronics, as you can see. And it's also used in contacts. For example, the small discs on top of spark plugs are in fact little platinum discs. So it's used in electrical contacts also. And microelectronics. So things like the stylus, which reads these things, hard drive platters, and such like that. So, it has quite a high melting point of 1700 plus degrees, so you won't be melting this on your stove. And about 80% of it is mined in South Africa. So, there's not much left in the rest of the world. It is a noble metal, however, so it's found in nature and it's separate from other metals. It can be found in beaches and things like that, but only in certain parts of the world. South Africa and some parts of South America. So it was still today quite rare and exceedingly useful. As you can see, it is very pretty platinum in its luster. More so than silver, but actually not as shiny. It's just shiny in a different way. Now, this bar is actually quite valuable, around £40, variable, depends what day it is, and the value of precious metals, state of emergencies, things like that. Let's have a quick close-up look. Got this bullion piece using the magnifier. That's the Lady Fortuna design. You can see there. Very small bar. Not that thick either. As I said, it is quite dense metal. Similar to gold in its density. But it's actually far more rare. But strangely not as valuable, due to the demand for it isn't actually not that high, due to its uses in mainly cars. It's also used in jewellery, for making rings and necklaces, and bullion bars of course. You can see that up close there. It's been assayed, and it's very fine. This is the kind that has been pressure molded, likely in an argon vacuum furnace. So, an advanced forge, like that. It's highly reflective. and of high quality. So have a look at the hard drive, if I even can. No, it's so reflective, it's actually reflecting all the light from the magnifier. Look at that. Wow. So it is incredibly reflective, as you can see. It's got good mirrors. You can see the reflection of my hand perfectly in the hard drive platter. So, very nice metal at that. Good for investment, but only as an alternate investment item. I'd stick with gold if I were you, or silver, as it is quite an uncommon currency. As if someone hands you a bar of platinum, probably won't be as nice as a bar of gold. Well, there's a little bit on the metal platinum, and I'll see you next time.